Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Coin98. The price line of Coin98 has broken out the resistance of a symmetrical triangle on the daily time frame. And in today's video, we will watch what can be our next targets. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, I would like to show you this daily time frame chart, and we can see that recently the price line has broken out the resistance of a symmetrical triangle. Before this, the price line has been breaking out the different patterns. For example, this was a falling wedge, and this was more visible on the 4-hourly time frame chart. Let me show you this pattern, and you can see that the price line was moving in this pattern here from July 24th to 30th of July, and here price line broke out the resistance of this falling wedge and formed another bullish pennant that was visible on the daily time frame. And we had a rejection here, another rejection here, another rejection here, and we also had a value support. And finally the price line broke out the resistance of this bullish pennant, and after this very big bullish move, the price line formed this falling wedge on the daily time frame. And this was the longest pattern that we have seen in the history of the C98 coin, because this pattern was started here on 24th of August, and the price line broke out the resistance of this falling wedge on 1st of October. And after breaking out, we had the formation of this current symmetrical triangle. Now the target for this falling wedge after this breakout can be here at the tail of this falling wedge, and that is approximately here at $5.90. And we can see that after this breakout, the price line was moving here sideways, and during this zigzag move, the price action formed this symmetrical triangle. And the resistance of the symmetrical triangle is coming from here, because we had a rejection here, we had another rejection here, two rejections here, and we had 1, 2, and this was another rejection. And after this rejection, the price line again moved at the support, and after having several bounces, finally the price action has broken out this resistance of the symmetrical triangle here. Now this recent swing low is really very important. If I place this trend line here at the recent swing low, that is approximately at $3.20, then you can see that previously this level has been working as a very strong support and resistance. Here it has been working as a resistance, and here the price line moved very close to this level but did not touch here, but here it has been working as a strong support, and here it worked as a strong support, and here as well, and here. And last time the price line retested this level here, and after testing this level, the price line broke out this resistance of symmetrical triangle. So this level can be used as our stop loss. And to see the targets for this symmetrical triangle, we need to place this trend line here to from this support to this resistance, and I'm just going to place it here at the breakout point. Then our next imminent target can be approximately at $5.26. However, our final target can be here, that is approximately at $5.90. I'm expecting that after this breakout soon, the price line can achieve this sell target as well, and it can even set a new all-time high for Coin98. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.